Welcome back to the coding interview series. Today, we are tackling a classic problem that appears frequently in technical interviews: finding the Kth largest element in an array. Here is the problem statement. Given an array of integers and an integer k, you need to find the element that would be in the Kth position if the array were sorted in descending order. Note that we are looking for the Kth largest element in the sorted order, not the Kth distinct element. Let's look at an example. We have an input array with the numbers 3, 2, 1, 5, 6, and 4. If our target k is 2, we want to find the second largest number. If we sort this array, we get 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. The second number in this list is 5, so the output is 5. The most straightforward solution is the naive approach. We can simply sort the entire array in descending order. Once sorted, the answer is sitting right there at index k-1. This is easy to implement but not necessarily the most efficient. Why is sorting not ideal? Sorting the entire array takes O of n log n time. While this is acceptable for small arrays, we are doing extra work by sorting elements we don't care about. The space complexity depends on the sorting algorithm, usually constant or O of n. A better approach is to use a min-heap. We don't need to order the entire array. We only need to keep track of the largest k elements we have seen so far. A min-heap of size k is perfect for this because the root always holds the smallest of those top k elements. Here is how it works. First, add the first k elements to the heap. Then, iterate through the rest of the array. If you find a number larger than the heap's root, remove the root and insert the new number. By the end, the heap contains the k largest numbers, and the root is the answer. This method improves our time complexity to O of n log k. Because the heap size never exceeds k, we also save memory compared to creating a full sorted copy, using only O of k space to store the heap elements. Finally, let's look at the optimal solution, Quickselect. This algorithm uses the same partitioning logic as Quicksort. We pick a pivot and partition the array. However, unlike Quicksort, we only recurse into the half that contains our target index, saving a lot of time. Quickselect offers an average time complexity of O of n, which is linear time. This is because, on average, we reduce the problem size by half in each step. However, be aware that in the worst case, it can degrade to O of n squared, though this is rare with a random pivot. Let's compare the three approaches. Sorting is easy but slower at O of n log, and the min-heap is faster at O of n log k. Quickselect is usually the best choice with O of n average time complexity, assuming you don't hit the worst-case scenario. That wraps up our guide on finding the Kth largest element. Understanding the trade-offs between sorting, heaps, and Quickselect is key to acing your interview. If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe for more coding tutorials.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.